Hey everyone! In today's video, we are checking out a smart security camera that can seriously upgrade your home protection. The Vans View V7. We will unbox it, set it up, test both day and night footage, and go over everything you need to know. Let's get into it. Inside the box, you'll find the Vans View V7 camera unit, wall mounting bracket, a screw and anchors, power adapter and cable, quick start guide. First impressions, the build feels solid and weatherproof, clearly designed for outdoor use. Let's take a quick look at the key features. Full HD resolution, IP65 rated waterproof and dustproof, infrared night vision, two-way audio, built-in microphone and speaker, motion detection with instant alerts, supports micro SD card up to 128 GB and cloud storage, connects via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. These specs make it strong candidate for home or small business surveillance. Setting it up is simple. Download the OneSphere application, follow the pairing instructions, and scan the QR code with the camera. Once connected to Wi-Fi, you will see a live view directly from your phone. From the application, you can adjust motion sensitivity, enable push notification, view live and recorded footage, speaks through the camera or listen remotely. In daylight, the image quality is sharp with accurate colors. At night, the infrared kicks in and provides clear black and white vision. No problem identifying people or objects. Motion detection is responsive. I received an alert within seconds when I walked past the camera. Installation is pretty straightforward. All mounting hardware is included. Ideal spots are interface ports or garages. You can easily adjust the viewing angle after mounting. Just make sure to plug the power cable route neatly, especially if it's exposed to weather. Overall, the Vans View B7 is a reliable, budget-friendly smart camera for anyone looking to protect their property. It's simple to use, offers great image quality, and the application features work smoothly. If you are interested, I've linked the product down below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more reviews, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Thanks.